Explore the world of home entertainment with our video showcasing the top 5 best ultra-short-throw laser projectors. From stunning picture quality to space-saving design, these projectors redefine the home theater experience. Join us as we dive into their features, performance, and value, helping you find the perfect projector for your ultimate movie night or gaming setup. Elevate your viewing experience with these cutting-edge projectors. Tune in now. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Number 5. Samsung the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K. Introducing Samsung the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K, a game-changing addition to home entertainment that brings the cinematic experience right to your living room. This innovative projector combines cutting-edge technology with sleek design, offering unparalleled picture quality and convenience. The Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K features an impressive 4K resolution with HDR support, delivering stunning clarity, vibrant colors, and incredible detail for an immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite shows, the picture quality is second to none. What sets Samsung the Premier apart is its ultra-short throw technology, allowing you to place the projector just inches away from the wall to produce a massive screen size. With minimal setup and no need for ceiling mounting, this projector seamlessly integrates into any living space. Equipped with built-in smart features and streaming apps, the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K offers endless entertainment options at your fingertips. Whether you're accessing your favorite streaming services, casting content from your smartphone, or controlling the projector with voice commands, the experience is intuitive and seamless. With its sleek and modern design, powerful performance, and convenient features, Samsung the Premier Ultra Short Throw 4K redefines home entertainment. Experience the thrill of the big screen from the comfort of your own home with Samsung the Premier. Number 4. ViewSonic X2000B 4K. Introducing the ViewSonic X2000B 4K, a cutting-edge projector that brings the ultimate viewing experience to your home theater or office space. With its impressive features and stunning picture quality, the X2000B 4K redefines what's possible with projection technology. The ViewSonic X2000B 4K boasts native 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering crystal-clear images with incredible detail and lifelike colors. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or giving presentations, every scene comes to life with stunning clarity and realism. One of the standout features of the X2000B 4K is its high brightness output, ensuring vibrant and vivid images even in well-lit environments. With up to 2,000 lumens of brightness, you can enjoy a clear picture without the need for total darkness. Equipped with HDR high dynamic range support, the X2000B 4K delivers enhanced contrast and color accuracy, providing a more dynamic and immersive viewing experience. Whether you're watching dark movie scenes or vibrant landscapes, HDR brings out the subtle details and nuances in every frame. Additionally, the X2000B 4K features versatile connectivity options, including HDMI and USB ports, making it easy to connect to a variety of devices such as Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. With its sleek and modern design, advanced features, and stunning picture quality, the ViewSonic X2000B 4K is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their home entertainment or professional presentations to the next level. Experience the future of projection technology with the ViewSonic X2000B 4K. Number 3. Owl Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST Projector. Introducing the Owl Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST Projector, a groundbreaking addition to home entertainment systems that promises to transform your viewing experience. With its advanced technology and innovative features, this projector delivers stunning visuals and immersive entertainment like never before. The Owl Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST projector boasts native 4K resolution, providing unparalleled clarity and detail in every image. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or giving presentations. The picture quality is nothing short of spectacular, with lifelike colors and crisp details that bring your content to life. What sets the AWOL Vision Projector apart is its triple Chroma technology, which enhances color accuracy and vibrancy for a more immersive viewing experience. With a wider color gamut and improved color reproduction, every scene pops with rich, true-to-life colors that captivate your senses. Equipped with ultra-short throw UST technology, the AWOL Vision Projector can be placed just inches away from the screen or wall, eliminating the need for bulky mounts and minimizing shadows. This makes it ideal for smaller spaces where traditional projectors may not be practical. With its sleek design, advanced features, and stunning picture quality, the AWOL Vision 4K Triple Chroma UST projector is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their home theater or presentation setup. Experience the future of projection technology with AWOL Vision and elevate your entertainment experience to new heights. Number 2. LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector. Introducing the LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST Projector, a game-changer in home entertainment. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, the CineBeam Premium delivers a cinematic viewing experience like no other. Boasting 4K UHD resolution and laser projection technology, the CineBeam Premium produces stunningly lifelike images with exceptional clarity, vibrant colors, and deep contrast. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming content, every scene is brought to life with breathtaking detail and realism. But what truly sets the CineBeam Premium apart is its ultra-short throw design, allowing it to be placed just inches away from the wall for a seamless and immersive viewing experience. Say goodbye to the limitations of traditional projectors and hello to cinema-quality entertainment in any room of your home. With smart features like built-in Wi-Fi and compatibility with popular streaming services, the LG CineBeam Premium 4K UHD Laser UST projector offers a convenient and user-friendly entertainment solution for the whole family. Experience the future of home cinema with the CineBeam Premium today. Number 1. Philips Screeno U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector. Introducing the Philips Screeno U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector, a game-changing addition to your home entertainment setup. This innovative projector offers an immersive viewing experience with its ultra-short throw capabilities, stunning picture quality, and versatile features. The Philips Screeno U4 boasts native 4K resolution, delivering crisp and clear images with incredible detail and vibrant colors. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming your favorite content, every scene comes to life with stunning clarity and realism. What sets the Screeno U4 apart is its ultra-short throw technology, allowing you to place the projector just inches away from the wall to create a massive screen size. With minimal setup and no need for ceiling mounting, this projector seamlessly integrates into any living space, making it ideal for smaller rooms or apartments. Equipped with built-in smart features and streaming apps, the Screeno U4 offers endless entertainment options at your fingertips. Whether you're accessing your favorite streaming services, casting content from your smartphone, or enjoying immersive gaming experiences, the possibilities are endless. With its sleek and modern design, powerful performance, and convenient features, the Philips Screeno U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector is the perfect choice for anyone looking to take their home entertainment to the next level. Experience the thrill of the big screen from the comfort of your own home with the Philips Screeno U4. With its compact size and easy setup, the Philips Screeno U4 Ultra Short Throw Projector is the perfect solution for creating a cinematic experience in any room of your home. Elevate your entertainment with the Screeno U4 today.